How to earn money from Facebook. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to earn money from Facebook. Facebook is not just a platform to connect with friends and family, it can also be a great source of income if you know how to leverage it correctly. In this video, we will share some practical tips and strategies that can help you earn money from Facebook. So, let's dive right in. The first way to earn money from Facebook is through Facebook pages. If you have a niche or passion that you're knowledgeable about, you can create a Facebook page dedicated to it. For example, if you love cooking, create a page showcasing your recipes and food photography. Once you have built a sizable audience, you can monetize your page by partnering with brands for sponsored posts or promoting your own products or services. Remember, the key to success with Facebook pages is to consistently provide valuable content that resonates with your audience. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and keep them coming back for more. Another way to earn money from Facebook is through Facebook groups. Facebook groups are communities where people with similar interests can connect and engage with one another. You can create or join groups relevant to your niche. Establish yourself as an authority by actively participating and providing value. Once you've built trust and credibility within the group, you can promote your products or services to generate income. Now, let's talk about Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform where you can buy and sell various items locally. If you have unused items lying around the house, consider listing them on Facebook Marketplace. You can also source products from other places, sell them on the platform for a profit. It's a great way to declutter your space while making some extra cash. Moving on, we have Facebook advertising. With billions of active users, Facebook provides an excellent platform for businesses to advertise their products or services. If you have a knack for marketing, you can learn about Facebook Ads Manager. Offer your services to businesses looking to expand their reach. Facebook ads can be highly targeted, allowing businesses to reach their ideal audience. They are willing to pay for experts who can help them achieve their marketing goals. Lastly, we have Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a feature that allows you to stream live video content to your audience. You can use this feature to host webinars, tutorials, Q&A sessions, or even showcase your talent. During your live sessions, you can engage with your viewers, answer their questions, and promote your products or services. You can also receive tips or donations from your viewers as a form of appreciation. These are just a few ways you can earn money from Facebook. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort. Be consistent, provide value, and always prioritize your audience. Keep experimenting with different strategies and find what works best for you. That's it for today's video on how to earn money from Facebook. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.